boys, these cars, look at this car, yo. I would love to get. That's the dream right there. JDM with a big freaking turbo. That's the dream. Or an E92 M3. Hopefully one day we can also get a Porsche boy so we can do little POVs with that. That would go crazy. Holy crap. I'm actually looking at one of these, but twin turboed from Sheepy Race. Luckily the price is pretty good because it's been modified obviously. But if anything breaks, bro, I gotta pay hella to fix it. Bro, there's way too many M4s and M3s now. Look at this. What am I looking at? Why are there so many? See, this the whole time I've been to Meat Boys, I have not seen a single M5. That's literally why I got an M5 rather than an M3 or M4. For literally this reason. Definitely, it's like kind of smooth, you know? It's like my M5 is just a fat boy, you know? Hellcat looks so juiced right now. I love it. Fat boy.
Jeez.
It's got little pops too.
Oh, shoot.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh. You hear that? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Yo! Oh, that sounds crazy. Oh my gosh. The lighting's not it on the film, but in person it goes crazy. Oh my. No, I don't regret the Hellcat at all. Hellcat's next level. Love it, we actually have a sick lineup, bro. M3, M4, Hellcat. Obviously, M5 would have been a nice mix, you know. Drove the M3 today. Raf with his, I don't know which one this is. M3 Bob.
Oh, bro, that V8, dude. Jesus Christ.
I love how he has a tripod with it too.
Yeah.
Oh, actually,
You had it attached to your head, right?
That was my GoPro. It just died right now, though.
no, dude, the new exhaust sounds way better now. Yeah, bro, I don't never regretting that car. M3 is also really nice. M4. I'm just happy I got this. Got the Hellcat and the M5 because it's just like the best of both worlds. Now we gotta go all the way and get exotics next, bro. That's we gotta go all out now. But this park is crazy, bro. This is why I love LA, man. The weather here is like it's perfect, man. Every time I'm recording a Hellcat video, I'm literally at the gas station. Luckily, gas is getting cheaper. Before a full tank was like $100, bro. Over 100 now, it's only 63, bro. I'll take that. I'll take that any day. Oh, let's go. Why does it actually go so hard right now? What, bro? Nah, dude, that wide body. Oh my gosh. This is with the valves all closed right now. Sounds pretty good. I'm gonna be honest, bro. It actually holds off. Like dude, it echoes like crazy when you don't got valves on. But I hope you guys enjoyed that little car meet. It was a chill little car meet video, nothing crazy. It happens every month, so I'm trying to like kind of keep it simple, you know, not overdo. I'm gonna open up the valves now. Love that freaking sound. Golden hour right now, boys. It's like the literally best time of the day to be driving. And like I always keep saying, boys, keep grinding, man. You're gonna live once, you know. Everything goes to vain anyways, but might as well enjoy life while you have it, you know. Hope everyone's doing well, man. I can't believe we're almost 2 years going, man. In April, it's gonna be 2 years of this. That's crazy work. I just can't believe I'm still, like, I just can't believe it's already been 2 years. Like, how has it been 2 years, bro? Oh my gosh. Dude, it's definitely different. I'm so used to my other exhausts. This is definitely has a different tone. It's not like a huge difference, but it's definitely deeper. It's like a little bit, it sounds more aggressive to me. Oh my. love the way this freaking car shifts, dude. It's so much more aggressive than the M5. I love the way it feels. It's so different, bro. Even though it's slower, it's so different. Oh my gosh, dude! After having my friend drive this car, it's just crazy how literally driving it is just not the same. Oh my gosh, it freaking screams, and everyone's that family's. All I care about is I'm not doing it after I pass them because, well, like directly next to them because it's stupid loud when it's next to you. But like a distance like this, it just echoes hella loud. That's another reason why I like it. With like the valves, because it doesn't echo like freaking crazy. It's like perfect. Enjoy this little POV slash M3 POV slash little car meet. Nothing crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Nah, that's crazy. I just feel like I need to like put the cats back on because it's honestly just too loud. I used to not get so much anxiety, but as each day goes by, I get more and more anxiety slowly. That's crazy. I hope you guys enjoy this little POV slash M3 POV, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.